Right, so just a quick video. We're going to do a repair on this Skoda Octavia rear bumper. It's basically been touched up with aerosol cans and things. So we're going to take the bumper off the car and respray it and actually put new reflectors and things in it to freshen it up. And also we're going to do a bit of a spot repair on the front edge of the bumper. So first step is going to be to get the bumper off the car, and I've already started. I've cheated a bit. So basically what we're looking at here is small plastic cover. Pull the centre of it out. It's got a bolt in there. Then these rubber caps come out, and that exposes the screws. Then another 2 screws in here, and that's the tail lights removed. So we'll take them out now. So what we're going to use for this is, once the 2 screws are out, you've actually got 2 clips down in here, and then just use green plastic so it'll not damage anything. And you can see there you have 2 wee tabs with 2 wee locators. They pop in there, so they're going to be quite tight. So again, the lever between this here, just use something plastic for that. I'll just show you with the clip. This is what you're going to have to do if you're actually taking off your light to do a bulb. So on your clip, 2 wee teeth you need to squeeze together, and they plug into this wee dock here with the pins. And then now what you're looking at, each one of these here is a individual bulb holder, so they just twist out. So you're going to need to do this here if you're replacing the bulb in the car. So moving on, we have jacked up the car, and we are now going to move on to removing these screws. Get this cover away, the splash guard, and then move on to the next step. Right, so actually 3 screws, so 1, 2, 3. Then we're coming to the edge of the bumper, and then it's just a case of putting the back off. We're working that side, a couple of screws to do underneath, and then we'll pull it all off. Right, so moving on to the car, got screw here, screw here, and then moving round. So we'll take them off, move right round, do the same the other side. This is a plastic cover. This will stay on the bumper, or on the car, sorry, when the bumper's removed. So we'll do that now. Right, so moving on, so we've done the bumpers underneath here, screws at the side, and pull that forward. Just be very careful when you're pulling that forward. It might actually do it on a nice warm day, because the plastic just pops off. It's actually quite tight. I'm sort of cheating a bit and pulling it first. Then we'll have to push in a wee tab in here and a small tab in here. So just with a screwdriver, and then that allows the bumper to slide back. So that's us pretty much halfway there. Repeat the process on the other side. So your 3 screws in here, 1, 2, 3. Your screws underneath the bumper here, which I've already loosened off, and then again we'll just separate the bumper along, and 2 tabs, and then as you pull the bumper off, there'll just be a small plug in the back for the parking sensors, which you just take off, and that's it really. So I'll come back to you with it off and show you the plug. Right, so bumper removed. We had parking sensors here, and I was mistaken that they were going to have a plug on the back. Strangely enough, normally they'll have a plug on the loom here that you can sort of take apart and join, whereas these didn't. So No free hand to fill them, but basically these are just your parking sensors, and these just clip in. Simply squeezed in the two wee tabs hold them, and they go in to these wee holders. So all in all, just pretty straightforward, and that's everything off. So what we'll do now is get this bumper all prepped and sanded down, and like I said to you earlier on, we're going to replace these reflectors and bits and pieces. So again, they're easy access from the back, from the front actually as well. You could lever them out, but we'll just leave it looking like brand new.